or it's going to be negative geared, so it's actually losing money, which has got some great tax implications. So, hey, looks like I'm recording already. Fantastic. G'day everyone, this is Simon Hornstra, real estate agent, South East Queensland. I am coming to you today. We're going to have a chat about rental yield and how to calculate it. So, why does that matter? Well, if you don't calculate what the yield is going to give you, then you don't know whether your property is going to be positive geared, so it's making you money, or it's going to be negative geared, so it's actually losing money, which has got some great tax implications. So it all depends on what your strategy is. So let's dive into it pretty quickly, pretty simple. How to calculate your gross rental yield is, firstly, you get the weekly rent, times that by 52. Then you divide your purchase price, which will give you a percentage. So, for example, I don't have a way to do this on screen yet, but I'll work that out. So, if we go, for example, if you've got a property renting out at $550 a week, times by 52 weeks, it's $28,600. You purchase the property for about $432,000. It gives you 0.066 times by 100 to get your percentage, so that would be a 6.6% yield. So that's a pretty good gross yield. It'll cover most costs of your rental property. Let's check it out, and if you have any tips of how to do this easier, or if you've got any other ideas of how to calculate rental yield, throw it in the comments. Love it. Have a great day.